In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in BambooHR. Start by logging into your account. Once you're signed in, click on the My Info icon located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your current profile image. Hover your mouse over your image, and you'll see a pencil icon appear. If you don't see this pencil icon, it means you're logged in as an employee, without permission to change your profile image. In that case, your employer or administrator controls profile picture changes. You can request your employer to either update the image for you or grant you permission to change it yourself. If you do see the pencil icon, click on it. Then select Choose Photo and browse your device to upload the image you want to set as your new profile picture. Once you've selected it, you can crop and adjust the image to see how it will appear in different sizes. After finalizing the image, click on Save, and your new profile picture will be successfully updated. If you're an admin and want to change another employee's profile picture, click on the People icon from the left-hand side menu. Select the employee whose profile picture you want to change, hover over their image, click on the pencil icon, and repeat the same steps. This allows administrators to manage profile pictures for anyone in the organization. That's how you can change your profile picture in BambooHR.